Well, Tim, the final leg of this custom solution, you're going to tell us about it and what it is and why. And I do understand that we engineered this. This is a custom piece of equipment.
Yes. Now, even though you could choose each of these components out of a catalog, putting it together in a package requires a little bit more help. And so we are always, we stand ready to be able to help customers do this sort of thing. In this particular case, what's unique is this particular gearbox will be mounted up on its end. These feet will be used here with the motor standing up. When that happens, and most often when the ratio is a certain ratio, it requires that the oil be completely filled, that the better said, the housing gets completely filled with oil. And when that happens, depending on the speed of the gears inside, something called an oil chamber has to be included. Now, that oil chamber would be mounted with a bracket like so, and a hose with a fitting that would go into the top of the gearbox. I say top because when this is mounted in an upright position, this then becomes the top. What's unique about our situation here is that we've created a double oil expansion chamber. This particular customer had a problem in which the oil chamber normally provided by Nord would still have a problem with foaming, the oil foaming and coming out of the top of the oil expansion chamber. So we found a solution to piggyback a second oil chamber on top of the old one and on top of the single oil chamber. And that creates just a little bit more capacity. So this is a unique situation, and you've seen it right here.
Well, that's great, Tim. I'm amazed at just how complex these applications are and how we seem to be able to do these things. And we're not a catalog, right?
Right.
We're not a catalog. We're engineers that just happen to sell stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
That's good. Well, thanks again, Tim.